magandang hapon po muli.
Miss Sarah, please take a seat here. It's a pleasure to be with you this afternoon.
I'm sure you got this. Wow, it's like a dream come true.
First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Kevin.
And my name is Alex. Steven and Alex.
Yes. Nice to meet you too. Alright, now actually, diba guys, you saw how wonderful and how great was Sarah Geronimo, right? Grabe, her talent exceeds expectations of a lot of people. And mas grabe siya kapag-live. Alright, so actually we have prepared some questions for you as the endorser and as the product ambassador for Micaela. So, Ms. Sarah, your first question is, in your opinion, does Micaela have a strong brand proposition? Or in other terms, sa nakikita niyo po ba, maganda ang hatak ng Micaela sa ating masang Pilipino?
Naku, definitely. Makikita mo naman very evident. Makikita mo halos lahat gumagamit ng Micaela bags, sila nanay, sila tita, even yung mga estudyante natin. So very strong talaga na brand ng Micaela. Why? Because quality product talaga ang ino-offer, pino-provide ng Micaela. At a reasonable price. Yung abot kaya naman natin.
Yes, that's correct. Actually, kanina na I also said to them that when I was new here in Manila, kapag umuulan, I directly go to Micaela to buy.
Umbrella. Siguro talaga yung umbrella nila sa kapatibay.
Yes, at saka very stylish.
Ako rin, Miss Sarah G, yung mami ko. Fan na fan mo kami, Before talaga, bibili kami ng mga payong sa Micaela kasi pag rainy season, sobrang, yun yung kasabay ng mga school supplies. Diba? Kung nalang mga payos. Oo, may payong lagi.
Our second question to you, Ms. Sarah G, is how did Micaela affect your career?
Okay, malaki ang naitulong ko sa akin ng Micaela. Siyempre, isang karangalan to represent a local brand, di ba? Gawang atin yan, sariling atin yan. So, masaya po ako na ini-endorse natin yung sarili nating produkto, Pinoy products. Yan. At what else? Napaka-supportive po ng Micaela sa akin sa lahat ng projects ko with their sponsorship. Kaya naman ako po ay mas swerte talaga na nahati ako ng Micaela family. I'm a proud endorser.